Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Survey and Theory Calculations programs in the surveying department. My name is Hisham Al-Hijazi. I'm one of the instructors in this department, and I will talk a little bit about our courses. First of all, in this department, there are two instructors, my colleague Ricardo Velasquez and myself, Hisham Al-Hijazi. And we both work with students online. Just a brief introduction about what's surveying. Surveying is mainly positioning, finding positions on the surface of the Earth. Surveying is the science that deals with determining and establishing three-dimensional points. So each point have a northing, easting, and elevation. Surveying will help you to determine all these for a point, interrelated by lines, angles, distances, and directions. We'll talk more about surveying during the presentation. There was a good video here, but I was not able to upload it due to the site that I can upload. So I'll just let you know during the presentation what this video is talking about. In our surveying program, we have two different paths. First path will be the introduction to surveying. If you don't have prior experience in surveying, this will be the course for you. The introduction to surveying program will provide you with a solid foundation of survey theory and the confidence to perform routine field survey tasks. You will be prepared for an entry-level position where you will continue to expand your knowledge of surveying as a member of a survey crew. Usually when you start working in surveying, you work in the field as a survey assistant, and then you learn how the work goes. When you have good experience, you get promoted to a party chief. And all what we provide here will help you and get you started in this field. The courses we offer, if you select to go this path, will be basic math for industry. And this course will have some mathematics as a refresher from high school. Then we'll start teaching you about surveying, and this will be Survey Theory 1. We have also Industrial Safety 1 and Survey Field Training 1. The Survey Field Training, you do a training in the field, and Ricardo is the one doing this part. And finally, you do an introduction to technical drawing and AutoCAD. And this course helps you to work with AutoCAD if you want to work in the office. So if you start in the field, you start as a assistant and then get promoted to a crew chief. If you don't like to be outdoors, then you can start working in the office. And in the office, you use AutoCAD software and you work as a survey technologist. The second path will be survey theory and calculations. The survey theory and calculations program provides the theory of surveying and survey calculations. The program is intended to provide anyone working on a survey crew with the knowledge and calculation skills required for advancement. So when you work in the field, you use equipment such as total station and GNSS, and these are equipment to collect points. And as we mentioned in the beginning, each point has northing, easting, and elevation. So 3 dimensions. When you are done with your survey, you need to do your calculations. And this is what this course will teach you. Survey calculation. If you select go in this path, these are the courses you have to take. Same thing, basic math for industry. Math is very important in our field. We need to make sure you are strong and have a strong base in mathematics, especially in. Then you start learning about surveying with Survey Theory 1. And then you go to Survey Theory 2, more advanced. Then we teach you about map projections. And then Introduction to Satellite Positioning. And this is very important if you are using GNSS. And finally, cadastral surveying. What type of equipment you will use in the field? Automatic and digital levels. And this equipment is used to measure height. This is very precise. You can also use it for northing and easting, but mainly it's used for elevation. For the northing and easting, you will use either total station, and we have different types of total station, the manual and the robotic. Manual needs 2 people to work on it, while the robotic can use. And the total station is a device or an equipment to measure the distance and angle. So to get the position of one point from the other point, you need to know these 2 pieces of information, the distance and the angle. If you know this, then you can relate the 2 points to each other. The GNSS, or Global Navigation Satellite System, this is an instrument that depends on the satellite. So when you are working, you are connected to the satellite and you are using a coordinate system. A coordinate system is a system that divides the Earth into a grid. Lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines. And each intersection is a point. And each intersection has a northing and an easting. Where do surveyors work? Oil and gas pipeline and oil sand industries, which is very popular here in Alberta. And they always need surveyors to find positions for their pipelines and well sites. Construction and land development industries. if you find any construction or any project, the first person who arrived to the site will be the surveyor. You go there, do his survey, send his results to the company to confirm if this land is suitable for the project or not. Also, he is the surveyor is the last person to leave site. So after the project is done, we confirm that everything is in the right place. And as I said, we use positioning. So we know all the positions, and we can use our equipment to tell if everything in the right position or not. Mineral exploration and energy transmission industry. So all what we talked about was in the field. There is also another part for the job, is in the office. So in the office, you have to be familiar with CAD software. So you will be a CAD operator. CAD is a software that you can put all the points in, and then you can start drawing a plan for the client. And this is the final product that we deliver. Program delivery. For the survey theory and calculations and introduction to surveying are delivered online. Study anytime, anywhere with a high-speed internet connection. So this program is very good for people who are working in a company. You can work and then study on your own time. Introduction to surveying has a 5-day field training component at the Northern Lakes College Shell Canada Power and Engineering and Technology Center in Peace River. So for this course, you are still online, but you will have to do this 5-day field training, complete the course, and this will be in person at the end of the course. Admission requirements. What do you need to be admitted in these programs? For the introduction to surveying, we need English 10-2 or equivalent, Math 20-3 or equivalent, or currently enrolled in 20-3 or equivalent. For the survey theory and calculations, we'll need 6-month work experience in industry is recommended, or completion of the introduction to surveying program. So either have survey experience and working in a company, or you complete the first course. How long is the program? Introduction to surveying, get dual credits in 2 years. If you do it full time, it shouldn't take more than 1 year. Do part time, then 2 years will be good. Survey theory and calculations, only part time, and this will be 2 years. And as we mentioned before, you work on your own time, so you don't have to stay for the whole period. If you can finish earlier, it's fine, as long as you pass all the courses. The dual credit. Eligible to earn career and technology studies credits towards their high school diploma, plus the introduction to surveying certificate for Northern Lakes College. Taking the program while in high school will save you time and money when compared to taking the program after you finish high school. Achieving a college certificate before leaving high school increases your chances of getting it. This is one good thing about the program. You can do it while in school, and by the time you are done with your grade 12, you have this certificate, and it will make it easier for you to find jobs in the surveying field. Finally, to contact us, this is our email, surveytheory@northernlakescollege.ca, or go to our website, www.northernlakescollege.ca. Thank you, everyone.